Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Kaltura easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Kaltura registration page. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration form. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password and enter it in the designated field. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next box. Next, fill in your first and last name as required. Select your preferred user role from the available options. If applicable, enter your organization or institution name. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. After completing all fields, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email shortly after submitting your information. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Kaltura. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Kaltura login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new account. Congratulations, you are now successfully registered for Kaltura and can start using the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.